What's up, YouTube? I am here at my shelter, and it's been 4 months. November? What is it? March? Yeah. So, yeah, life happens. You know, holidays. Me and the wife put in a outdoor wood boiler system for a house. I had to deal with that. So it's been a while since I've been out here. It's a little chilly right now, but whatever. So I came back out to check out the shelter, and I had a chair and tripod and a fire reflector and stuff like that. I followed a possum for like 40 yards, so that's what I was doing before I got here. So my shelter, if you haven't seen my shelter and you're new to the channel, go watch my series on the shelter. So this, I don't even know if I'll be an update to it. So are you ready for the big reveal? So it's been out here for 4 months without me coming out regular to check it. Call it lazy, I guess, if you want to. Life happens. So only thing I've done since I got here is I've hung my backpack up. So I'm not really going to do anything but just check it out real quick, probably fix it up. So here it comes. You ready? Bam! Look at that. Tripod's still standing where I left it. Fire reflector's leaned over a little bit. I didn't bring my, I can fix that. There's my chair. Had one stick fall off of it. Just one. Comfy. Shelter right there. I'll go ahead and walk around to the other side. I've got something fell off there. So there's a piece of the roof right there. The leaves are still up there. I piled leaves on it. So we can zoom. I'll back up. Yeah. So it held up really good. I expected to come out here and have a tree land on it. So kind of happy. So yeah, it's exciting. I'll clean up a little bit and I'll come back and talk to you. So that's funny. So, just really patched it up kind of real quick and easy. Everything's still there. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more bark if I can find some pieces that are loose. And I got something really funny to show. So, yeah, this cracks me up. So, literally, something has pooped on my shelter. Really? Pooped on my shelter. Whatever. It's all good. awesome. Take a butt wiggle, make sure it's sturdy. So yeah, I just wanted to come out here and check up. I'm gonna try to get back out here once a week like I used to. Yeah. So another quick update on the channel. I've got plans for videos of, I want to map the woods because there's a lot of probably hidden treasures out here that we need to find, and I want to map them. So maybe water sources. I think there's like 40 acres of woods just in this little area. I might be mistaken. Up towards that area there's woods, and that's the way I come in. So definitely a water source. There's a dry creek bed that runs over here. It's actually got water in it because we've got a lot of rain over the last couple months. Didn't snow a whole lot, so I wanted to get out here while there was snow, but it only snowed when I had to work because, you know, I live trying to decide if I want to make this shelter like another wall this way, so it'd actually be like completely closed in. I haven't decided yet, so definitely building that up more. It's sloppy, but doesn't necessarily have to be pretty. It just has to be functional. So hey, thanks for watching. Remember, enjoy the outside.